motivate yourself to study when we are doing that. Thank you for always listening to Mama. Continue to be fun and loving to Kuya and Papa. We are always here for you, okay? I love you and
Happy birthday, Jack. I wish for you to seek God and stay healthy. And also focus on studying. On your special day, I just want to wish happiness that your life has to offer. May you have a happy life ahead. Ate loves you.
Happy birthday, Jack.
Happy birthday, Jack.